wait for one man to me. Open up the door. What did you close our windows? It's getting
the Zoom outside.
Yes, why did they close the door?
So the president is outside as he's speaking.
Yes, he's outside. So why they are closing the door? You can't wait for one man to speak there. It can't be. It's totally. We left our cars outside and it's raining. What is raining for us? A white boy, small boy, just closed the door, just like that. We South Africans were just watching at him. What do you call it? Zuma want to get inside. They don't want that. For what reason, we don't know.
Ezakamuva nje zithi kuvinjezelwe uJacob Zuma eyongena esikhungweni sezimphumela yokhetho. Akwaziwa ukuthi kumayelana nani.